Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given quadrilateral ABCD, join A to C and B to D. Label the intersection of AC and BD as E. Given that angle ABD equals 40 degrees, angle DBC equals 40 degrees, angle BCA equals 20 degrees, angle ACD equals 20 degrees, and angle BDA equals x. The goal is to find x. And now for the solution. By the angle sum property in triangle BCE, angle CEB equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 20 degrees, which equals 120 degrees. Next, consider angle AED and angle CEB, which are vertically opposite angles. Since vertically opposite angles are equal, angle AED equals 120 degrees. Next, extend BA and CD to meet at P. By the angle sum property in triangle BCP, angle CPB equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 20 degrees minus 20 degrees, which equals 60 degrees. Next, consider quadrilateral AEDP. Angle DPA and angle AED are opposite angles. Since angle DPA plus angle AED equals 60 degrees plus 120 degrees, which equals 180 degrees, they are supplementary. Therefore, points AEDP are concyclic. That is, AEDP can be inscribed in the circle. Next, consider this part of the diagram. Join E to P and construct EX perpendicular to BC with X on BC, EY perpendicular to BP with Y on BP, and EZ perpendicular to CP with Z on CP. Next, consider triangle BEX and triangle BEY. We claim that triangle BEX is congruent to triangle BEY. Since angle EXB equals angle EYB equals 90 degrees, angle XBE equals angle YBE equals 40 degrees, and BE is common. The two triangles are congruent by AAS. Since EX and EY are corresponding sides in congruent triangles, we have EX equals EY. Next, consider triangle CEZ and triangle CEX. We claim that triangle CEZ is congruent to triangle CEX. Since angle EZC equals angle EXC equals 90 degrees, angle ZCE equals angle XCE equals 20 degrees, and CE is common. The two triangles are congruent by AAS. Since EZ and EX are corresponding sides in congruent triangles, we have EZ equals EX. Next, consider triangle PEY and triangle PEZ. We claim that triangle PEY is congruent to triangle PEZ. Since angle EYP equals angle EZP equals 90 degrees, EY equals EZ, and PE is common hypotenuse, the two triangles are congruent by HL. Since angle YPE and angle ZPE are corresponding angles in congruent triangles, we have angle YPE equals angle ZPE. Since angle P equals 60 degrees, angle YPE equals 60 degrees divided by 2, which equals 30 degrees. Finally, return to cyclic quadrilateral AEDP. Angle EPA and angle EDA subtend the same arc AE. Since angles subtending the same arc are equal, we have x equals 30 degrees, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.